When it comes to collision services, your car deserves only the best. At OC Bumper and Body, we provide expert auto body repair in Irvine, California for all import and domestic cars, trucks, and SUVs. We are iCar certified, ASE certified. From scratch, dings, and dent repair to auto painting, complex frame straightening, and unibody repair, you can count on our team of technicians to restore your vehicle to its pre-accident condition or better. Our team will happily work with your insurance carrier, and we offer rental car assistance. Inside OC Bumper and Body, you'll find the Bumper Guy, where we offer fast and affordable minor auto body repair. OC Bumper and Body works with all insurance companies. Remember, it's your choice which shop fixes your vehicle's body damage. When you need collision repair in Irvine for any domestic, Asian, and European vehicle, including classics, exotics, and other special interest models, contact OC Bumper and Body. We back our services with a lifetime warranty, giving you the peace of mind you need following an accident. To learn more about our Irvine Collision Repair Shop or to schedule a free estimate for the cost of auto body repair, please click, call, or stop by our state-of-the-art facility today.